Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Lock Braids. Shout out to Lock Braids for sponsoring another video. So let's get into this look. So today I have their 24-inch full lace wig. This is a boho knotless braided wig. This is 100% human hair. We have HD lace. She comes with baby hairs, and the ends of this hair are curly with curly hair throughout. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to install this and show you how to style it in a few different ways. So I'm just showing you the inside construction of this wig cap. It comes with adjustable elastic straps. There are combs inside, and the knots are bleached. So that saves you time. You don't have to bleach these knots. You can just install her when you get her. So here I'm just deciding what I want to do with the baby hairs, and I decided to minimize the baby hairs because I feel like sometimes that's a giveaway that it is a wig. So I wanted to do very little baby hairs as I would do with my actual knotless braids. So I'm just going to cut my ear tab, and then after I cut my ear tabs, I'm going to take the wig off so I can cut the lace off the back. So I've cut the ear tabs. Now I'm just going to cut that lace off the back. I left a little lace in the back just in case, you know, if you ever want to adhere the wig around, you want a little bit of lace in the back to do that. So I'm just going to utilize the comb in the nape area, and I'm going to stick that comb under my wig cap, and that's how I am securing the back. So here I'm just going to cut my lace as I usually would, down the center, and then cut it off along the sides. I will be using my ORS wig grip to adhere this wig. Something I did a little different was I did the bowl cap method. I never do the bowl cap method, but for this type of wig, when it comes to full lace, you can't go wrong. Like, you don't see any wig cap. It's just seamless. So that's what I did, and I wanted to do my makeup after the wig install because I hate when when it comes to bowl cap makeup, lace and lace spray, it can be a mess. So I figured this time I would do my foundation after I install the wig. So I'm just showing you the full length of this wig. She is gorgeous. She is full. This is a whole lot of hair. So here I'm just trimming down those baby hairs, and then after I trim them down, I'm going to go in with a tweezer to lighten up the baby hairs. So once I fully tweeze the baby hairs, I'm going to touch it up a little bit with some more spray, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my elastic band to melt her down. And I did melt this down for like a good while, y'all. I stopped. I went to go cook dinner and then came back. So she was melting for like a good hour. So now that she's all done melting, I'm going to take that band off, and I'm going to go in with my Lotta Body to shape and sculpt these baby hairs. I wasn't sure at first how I wanted to style them, but then I did tweeze a little more. I cut them down a little more, and I went with very subtle, soft baby hairs. after completing the baby hairs, I'm just showing you how gorgeous this wig looks. I'm telling you, this full lace is giving scalp all throughout. I can wear her flipped over to any side, and I love that they bleached the knots because it gives you such a realistic look when you're looking at the wig. Like, you don't see grids, you just see what looks like scalp. This is what she looks like in the back. If you choose to do a little bit of makeup, because it is giving like a light fleshy color, but if you choose to do a little bit of makeup on your cap, it will give you a more complexioned look. Like, it will match your complexion a little better. But for the tutorial purposes, I think it looks good. So now I put my face on, and here I'm just wetting the wig down. This is water in my continuous spray bottle. I'm going to add a little bit of a lot of body because this hair is so gorgeous. It just soaks up that mousse, and then them curls get to popping. I love it. And this is a perfect length because a lot of girls like long knotless braids, and this 24, the density, like the fullness and the length on it is perfect. So from here on out, I'm just going to show you a few different ways to wear this hair. I'm going to flip it over to a few different sides. I will do a half up, half down. I also do a high bun, but the styles with this are endless. You can style this how you would style your regular knotless braids. And they do have some other style braided wigs, like they have a Fulani style braided wig. So check the links down in the description box. If I have a discount code, you know that's going to be down below too. But yeah, so far I'm loving this wig. If you haven't checked out my other video in which I collaborated with them, I did the crochet boho locks, and I'm loving that look as well. So check the links down below. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
You said this would be the last time I'll be seeing you, 'cause you don't even wanna talk, and you don't even wanna meet up, you don't even wanna be friends, pretend like me. I did plan for love, it's right. Your love takes hold of you, take charge of love, babe. I try my best to explain.